Welcome to Peritos Solutions, your trusted cloud and ERP partner.
Now, I would also like to just insist upon using Copilot and Joule together, which is one of the latest offerings by Microsoft. Very interesting. If you guys have used Copilot before as part of creating custom agents or using agentic AI, you already know that how powerful and interesting that could be. And when you combine it with Joule, which is basically the SAP counterpart of Copilot, it makes it even more interesting because Joule can do a lot of the heavy lifting from SAP side. So this is one of the examples where you can create like your own within the Microsoft framework, within the integrated Joule Copilot version. Uh, It depends on what kind of automation you are intending to run with this, but pretty much can be used for order processing, order send, order notification, email notification reminders. Those are the operational things, but it's also very much capable of creating transactions. So creating, you can just chat like, we recently got this purchase order, please create, send me a draft. It can pretty much do that. So yep, that may be something that you guys might be interested in. Yeah, for the next one. So as I mentioned before, we work with a lot of ISV SAP partners. So not necessarily someone who know how to use SAP, but they have a product they want to integrate with SAP. So for one of the customers case studies, we did like a Copilot studio where they were going to set the topic, use Power Automate with Microsoft Graph to OpenAI and to send sales order, material get list, get detail, and the materials and sales order within the SAP framework. So this is already available as an out-of-box solution. So we just like orchestrated it in a way that it works end to end, but pretty much something that you guys can play around with. If you have like vendors who are interested in integrating within your SAP environment, you'll be pretty much based at how easily this can all sync up together to build like an end-to-end solution, which is almost ready to be used on the go. So yeah, next one. Uh, a lot of you guys are interested in CI/CD setup. I don't know if you guys have explored the cloud integration application that's already as part of your deployments available. If you guys do a lot of custom coding and you guys are interested in exploring now how this can work, there's a specific GitHub repo which talks about how you can create your pipeline, how you can create environment variables. Something very similar to how you do transport management within SAP, but in a much more efficient manner. So we pretty much use it mostly for the ISP partners because they have constantly we work with them to build the solution. So all of the changes are very much gated within CI/CD to create multiple deployment releases, pipelines, and special releases for specific customers and environments. So yeah, next one.
Thank you for watching. Get in touch if you're keen to discuss more.